Virgo, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At titingnan natin, pasilip sa 2025. Ano yung energies na parating sa inyo ngayong 2025? So, meron pa rin naman kayong annual reading for 2025 sa December. So, abangan nyo na lang yan. But for now, sisilip muna tayo sa 2025. What's coming to you? If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment, paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see Virgo, what's coming to you ngayong 2025 for Virgo overview. Okay, you have the 5th house. You have Venus in Taurus. Wow, Venus in Taurus in the 5th house. A lot of blessings coming in sa inyo, Virgo. You will gain, let's say, you will earn money from your talents. So, kung meron ka mga creative skills, abilities, kung ano pang mga talento mo, no, pwedeng i-explore mo yan. Or kung alam mo naman na, lalo na if you're into content creation, singing, pwedeng ikaw mismo, no, pwedeng ikaw ay magaling mag-model, ganyan. Or anything that is within you, no, you are your own talent, kumbaga. I see you exploring that, and maaring mas magdala to sa'yo ng maraming pera or blessings. I also see here baby. So pwedeng if you are planning to have a baby in 2025, so may baby na parating. Pwede rin sa family member ninyo, there's also baby coming in. 5th house is also about your children. So kung meron na kayong mga anak, maaring mas magkakaroon kayo ng time for them, going out, going to different places, having fun. Alam mo yun, more quality time with your children, with your family. This can also be sa dating. So pwedeng you're going to be more attractive ngayong 2025. Maaring meron ka improvement na gagawin sa iyong sarili. Mas iaayos mo yung iyong sarili, like you will practice self-love, self-care, focusing on your health, yung kalusugan mo, going to the gym, mas magiging fit ka and healthy. So, mas mag-glow ka ngayong 2025 and people will notice that. So, since magiging attractive ka, no, may mga taong magkakaroon ng interest sa'yo romantically. And if you're single, this is a good time for you to explore and meet new people kasi you'll never know, no, baka dito mo na ma-meet yung person mo talaga, yung romantic partner mo. But if you're in a relationship, maaring you will be spending time with your loved ones, your partner, going out, traveling, having fun, doing fun things together. Mas may quality time kayo. You also have solar calm, clarify. So, kung may mga bagay na kailangan kang pagdesisyonan, magiging mabilis kang makapag-decide kasi malinaw yung klaro yung takbo ng isip mo, kumbaga. You see things clearly. You also have the 3rd house, which is about communication, your thoughts, your knowledge. Pwede rin may mga pagkakataon na mag-aaral ka, learning a new skill. Pwede rin pagpapalawak ng iyong contacts, ng inyong network. Pwede rin to mga short distance travel, mga local travels. Dahil doon, mayroon ka mga mamimit na bagong friends, connections, acquaintances na pwedeng makatulong sa'yo in the future. You have the 6th house, sustainability. So, 6th house is about your health. Maaring mas may magpo-focus ka sa iyong pagsasaayos ng iyong kalusugan. Yung iba sa inyo, this is about organizing things. You will be focused more on yung parang gusto mo merong direksyon yung buhay mo na meron kang susundin na routine. Kung dati kung ano na lang yung gagawin mo for the whole day, hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin mo, but ngayong 2025, ipaplano mo lahat. Na sa ganitong buwan, ito yung gagawin ko, sa susunod na buwan, ito yung mga plano ko. So, yung iba sa inyo pwede rin you will acquire or parang magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong alagang hayop. Can be any pet, no? Aso, pusa. Some of you will also focus on, yun nga, pag-gym or focusing on your flexibility, your health. This is aligning your chakra. So, pwedeng yung iba rin sa inyo, you will undergo spiritual awakening. Tapos, nare-realize mo yung mga bagay na dapat mong gawin spiritually. Magta-try kang mag-meditate, do yoga, or learn, pwedeng mag-aaral ka ng mga esoteric practices, or yung gusto mo maging healer, no? Ganyan. So, energy healer. Let's see what else, Virgo. You have the High Priestess. Oh, the High Priestess, this is about your wisdom, your instinct, your spiritual guidance. So talagang major spiritual awakening is going to happen for you ngayong 2025. Marami kang realization about your life. Pwedeng madidiscover mo yung iyong spiritual gifts na meron ka palang talento or gift sa'yo na makapang gamot, no, ng iba. Mga manggagamot, ganyan. Spiritual healer. Some of you naman, you might be, exploring your knowledge pagdating sa um, anything na mystical. Example, tarot reading, astrology, things like that. You have the Three of Cups. You will gain more friends ngayong 2025. Itong mga friends na to will last for a long time. Kumbaga, makikilala mo sila through your travels or through your activities, experiences na gagawin mo or na may experience mo ngayong 2025. Let's say, mag-enroll ka sa isang healing class or sa isang yoga class. So, yung mga mamimit mo dyan, yung mga taong makakasundo mo, they will be your friends for a long time. Also the Six of Swords, so pwedeng may paglipat ng trabaho, paglipat ng bahay, maaari ring travel opportunities for you moving to a new direction. Very spiritual yung magiging experience nyo ngayong 2025. At minsan, kapag nagkakaroon tayo ng spiritual awakening, minsan kailangan natin tong pagdaanan mag-isa. Kasi may mga tao na hindi naniniwala sa pinaniniwalaan natin or parang hindi sila supportive sa mga bagay na gusto nating i-pursue. So, that's what I'm saying for you, Virgo. Kaya kailangan malakas ang loob mo dyan. Decided ka talaga na hindi mo kailangang ibase yung mga desisyon mo sa opinion ng ibang tao. Kung ano yung nararamdaman mo na gusto mong subukan, explore, whether this is about your career, your business, or your spiritual path, i-discover mo siya on your own, kahit mag-isa ka lang. You also have Justice, so this is bringing balance into your life. Maaring mas magiging maingat ka ngayon sa decision making mo. You will also tap into your instinct, your intuition. Maari ring, kung meron mang tao na nakagawa ng pagkakamali sa'yo, you will be able to get the justice that you deserve. Oo. Maaring merong karma na kung saan ano man yung efforts mo, ano man yung pinaghirapan mo, ano yung dine-deserve mo, yun yung makukuha mo. Let's see your money, career, finances. Okay. Communicate. Very strong yung communication sa inyo, no? You're going to share your voice para ipangalandakan talaga. Para i-communicate yung totoo, yung pinaniniwalaan mo, your truth. So some of you maaring magkakaroon kayo ng podcast or you will create contents wherein mas nagiging expressive ka sa nararamdaman mo, sa naiisip mo, and you might be influencing other people as well. Yung iba, may kinalaman to sa inyong spiritual path. lalo na kung kayo ay merong mga knowledge na gusto niyo paalam rin sa iba, at tumulong rin sa iba to for them to know what you are following. Okay? You also have abundance, no? Pagdating sa family, love life. So pagdating sa relationships, I feel like you are going to be with people na na ibibigay kung ano yung dinideserve mo. Maaring mahal mo sa buhay, romantic partner, friends, who are going to be very generous sa'yo. Or itong mga taong makakasama mo, sila ay magiging supportive sa mga gusto mong gawin, wherein kumbaga makakatulong sila sa pag-improve ng iyong finances. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong magiging katuwang sa buhay na kung saan ah, mabibigyan kayo maibibigay yung inyong mga pangangailangan. Oo. Let's see what else. Bitch fire. Stand up for yourself. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina na yes, may mga taong susuporta sa atin. Meron din namang mga taong hindi susuporta sa gusto natin. And if dumating yung time na yon, kailangan mong madindigan sa sarili mo na kung naniniwala ka sa kakayanan mo, hindi naman kailangan na meron ka laging kasama sa biyahe na yan or sa endeavor na yan or sa journey na yan. May mga pagkakataon na kailangan mong mag-isa, manindigan sa mga gusto mong tuparin para sa sarili mo. Like yung mga pangarap mo, yung mga goals mo sa buhay. So, you're going to be that person na hindi natatakot mag-isa kasi kaya mo, you are your own light. Meron kang sarili mong liwanag na sapat para maging gabay mo sa iyong journey. Okay? So, that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. Bye.